That guy loves
I'm
you.
coming there next month.
Is he a Nigerian? For
next
it?
month?
Hold
Wow.
on.
I'm coming. In 2 weeks.
Hey.
Hold on. Oh, you are going to Nigeria in 2 weeks.
You're welcome to be a part of discussion. And I'm the fair. OPP worldwide.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello.
English only.
Hey.
English only, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. We can manage. We'll double around. You know. Please, what's your name and where you calling in from? Beautiful lady.
Dallas, Texas, all the way, baby.
Oh yeah. That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's
Hey,
up.
English can rap. Mess with one of this conversation because
I don't want the Tupac. It's okay. It's cool, man. Yeah, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. You know.
Oh my God, you're welcome.
Really enjoy the moment. Which one? Is it your 20s dating? 20s, 30s, or 40s? Huh?
In the 20s, I was wild.
Oh.
Yeah. In the 30s, I'm still experiencing.
Another country.
In the 40s, I'm ready to set it down.
Oh.
Wow. Even if
Okay, you now started.
I will shout, wow.
Okay. So you have someone now, or you still looking? Still in the market? Or you going?
I'm gonna say that I think I have someone. Okay, I don't know. You can experience love online. You can experience love within your heart through connection. You haven't even met nobody yet.
Oh, okay. It's online thing, eh? You've not met the person. Somewhat.
I don't know if it's true or not, but God works in mysterious ways.
Oh, okay. You gotta be careful with all those.
Is that Nigeria? Is that Africa?
He said he's here, Nigeria.
That guy loves
I'm coming there next month.
Is he a Nigerian? For it? Hold on.
I'm coming.
In
2 weeks.
Hold on. Oh, you are going to Nigeria in 2 weeks?
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
You booked your ticket? You booked your ticket already?
Got my passport and everything.
Wow.
Oh my God. You're welcome. Are you
You're not joking. Listen, you are not joking.
Lagos.
No. Oh my God.
Oh, you are going to Lagos?
Waiting for you with flowers.
Yeah.
Nigeria. I am.
Good. But you're in love, eh? I see. I can see it in your face. You're in love, eh? I see that smile. When you remember you're
I'm coming.
Oh, shit.
You know, we have that thing. We have the boom.
Yeah. It's time to experience new things.
Okay, new things.
You have to experience our thing.
Yeah.
You can never be old enough to imagine something better.
Something better, man. Shit. Some GG.